Hi, I'm Jason with Tenebrex. Today I want to talk to you about a question we get fairly often. How do I install my scope cover onto my optic? Well, there's really two scenarios you may find yourself faced with. One is where the scope manufacturer has included our knurled profile on the outer edge of the optic, both the objective and ocular ends. In that scenario, the key is to open the cover before you put it on, snap it open, place the body of the cover onto the objective, snap it in place, and you're good to go. Once it's on, you can clock that cover to open any direction you want, and it'll detent back, sit flat against the scope. Do the same for the ocular, and you're good for both ends. The other scenario is where the manufacturer has not included our profile on the optic, and in that scenario, we use an adapter ring to interface between the scope and the cover. This is an aluminum adapter ring that would screw directly into the objective end of your optic, and once that's secure and in place, you would snap the cover on exactly the way I showed you before. Slightly different for the ocular, we have no threads to work with, so we use a universal style adapter that slides directly over the ocular, clamps down with the set screw. Once that's tight and secure and in place, snap the cover on exactly how I showed you before. So whichever scenario you find yourself in, we've got you covered. Go to our website, search your make and model of your optic, and you'll be able to find the cover that's right for you.